Oh, wait. Yeah.
Ready?
Okay, I want you to slowly pour it in the hole. Pour it all in. What's happening? That's enough, Brenna. Whoa, Brenna. Enough. Whoa. That's enough, Brenna Boo. It's got all. It's too much vinegar. Wow. What's happening?
It's exploding.
That was a pretty cool volcano you made, Brenna Boo. So what is coming out of that volcano? Like a real volcano. What comes out of a real volcano?
Lava.
Lava. What is lava?
Lava is like a fire coming out of the ground.
Well, what is it though? Is it melted rocks? You're right. Good job, guys.